I just met a YouTuber named Gaming with Michael TV. Let me explain. It all started when I see a stream of him saying that he will rate fans' avatar. So yeah, I joined the stream, and then I joined his stream, and then he showed the code for the game. I gladly joined, of course, and yeah, I just joined. So yeah. Then the first round, he rates some other fans' avatars, of course, which is like some people dress up as Murder Drones characters, some of them dress up as Sonic, some of them dress up as YouTubers, but most of them were Creek fans, Tanker fans, and even Michael fans, of course. But then he picked me and the Tinker fan, and then as soon he bans everyone, then he goes to me and the Tinker fan. Then he talked to his chat saying which one he should ban. Some of the fans said ban the noob guy, which is me, and some of them said ban the Tinker fan, which is him. But then he just banned both of us instead of banning one person. Like, this is crazy, of course. I fell off. So yeah, here's a footage of him saying which one he should ban.
Sorry for you too, my man. I'm so sorry. Anything else we got? Well, what about these two here, right here, ladies and gentlemen? What about these two over here? Which one should we eliminate? Which one should we eliminate? The noob craft? The tank? Why are you copying? I'm not copying, man. Ban a tank. Okay, y'all want to ban both of them? Alright, I guess we're banning both of them. I wish y'all the best of luck on the next round. I wish y'all the best of luck. Alright.
Anyways, that's all for like today's video. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this, please like and subscribe, alright? And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Anyways, bye guys.